Hi, and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in our new kitchen. Remember, I told you in June of 2020 I was going to have a new indoor and a new outdoor kitchen. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of our new indoor kitchen, and I'll do another video with the outdoor kitchen. So I'm going to get ready for my tour. While I'm getting ready for my tour, you know what I need you to do. Hit that like button, the notification button, and of course I want you to subscribe. So you do that and I'll be back. Okay, so we are back in the kitchen and ready for our tour. So here's just a little snapshot of what the kitchen looks like. It's a lot brighter because we have white cabinets this time, and I'm keeping with my theme of the silver and black. So let's go check it out. So here's our countertop where we are going to be doing most of our cooking, okay? And for those of you guys, you know, if you come in the kitchen and you're doing tasting, of course, we have some seats for you guys to sit on. So that's where you'll be sitting. Okay, so let's go. So here's our refrigerator. We have a new refrigerator. It's a Whirlpool refrigerator. And this one has of course, the lights on and off, the crushed ice, the cubed ice. You can lock it, unlock it, and it's a side-by-side. So, of course, I can fit quite a bit more in this refrigerator than the last one. Okay. So, here is our Ninja Foodie Deluxe, where we do air frying, pressure cooking, and all of that. Make sure you check out the video where I did the review for the Ninja. Oh, there's my knives. Of course, you know, we got the big spoons. We do some big cooking. And here's my electric stove. Now, you know me. Before I moved to Florida, it was always a gas stove. I don't like electric stoves, but unfortunately, this is what I have. It's a nice stove. It's brand new. It's digital, so all the appliances are brand new. And we've got a microwave going right there. Then, of course, we have our Viking cookware. That's where the magic happens in those pots and pans. Check out that video. I've got a video with a review of the Viking as well. And of course, when we're doing our baking and things, we use our KitchenAid mixer. Also have a video of that. So let's go around. Here's our sink. I love this sink because I can get my big pots and pans in here. It's very deep. I love it. And when I want my coffee in the morning, or if I'm cooking something that has coffee in it, I use my Keurig. This Keurig will do, you know, the lattes and the cappuccinos for me before I do my videos. And of course, I have my dishwasher. You got to keep everything clean. So that is basically the tour of my kitchen. Let's see. We have cabinets over here. Got a lot of cabinet space in here. A little pantry over here. Let me step back so you can see. So basically, this is my kitchen. And there you go. So our tour is over. I just want to thank you guys for joining me in Lavonne's kitchen. It's been a long journey, and I appreciate all of you guys who have hung in there with me. Stay in there. Make sure you're subscribing, sharing all my videos with your friends. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my new 2020 kitchen, on the indoor kitchen, and stay tuned for the outdoor kitchen. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.